Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can do about factorization. So we can apply about reduction variable. So I will put about v equal to 2x plus y. Now, if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have dv over dx. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have number 2. First derivative of y, we have dy over dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we put number 2 go to the left. This one we change by v. This one we change by v. This one we change by this one. Now, we need to expand this one, and I put negative number 2 go to the right. We need to simplify. For v minus 2v, you got about 2v. 1 plus 2, you got about 3. Now, this one we put on the left, ds we put on the right. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one. We know that number 3, that's about 1 plus 2. Now we can put this one into identity. We have v plus 1 to the power of 2. Now we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about v plus 1 equals to the square root of number 2 tan t. So if I put this one go in here, we have 2 tan t square. Number 2, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dv. We do first derivative for the both sides. We have dv equals to the square root of number 2 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. This one we change by this one. And now this one we have 2 tan t square. Number 2, we can do about factorization. This one is about secant of t square. Now we need to simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. So this one we have the square root of number 2 over 2, and we have t, and we put about c. About t, that's about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And we have t equal to r tan of this one. So we need to change this one for t. And now we return back to this one. The integration of this one, we change this one in here. The s we got about s about v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.